Families and friends, it's your favorite Rasta man again. It's Rastafari Soldier here, and I'm forwarding live early in the morning, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, and here to pick up the pieces, the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. I want to give thanks and praise to everyone worldwide that has poured in the love and shares so much compassion with Jamaica. The assistance worldwide. I've seen people in the hills here with chainsaws from other countries. The care packages. We're really appreciative of it. Us Jamaicans here, we have pride and we don't really, you know, accept a lot of help from outsiders. But I want to thank the people worldwide that have poured in their helps, their heartfelt support. And I want to thank everyone, the international bodies. Yeah, I'm talking about, I seen Europeans from South Carolina, Florida, in the hills of Cornwall helping to cut up trees that have blocked roads and take off trees off homes that have been crushed by trees. And I want to thank the Jamaican people for standing firm in the struggle and showing the world that we are solid as a rock and no one can stop us now. I'm Rastafari Soldier. I'm live in the hills of Cornwall District, Cornwall, P.O. St. Elizabeth. Yeah, in Jamaica. And cleaning up, picking up the pieces from the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. As you see, it's total devastation as the beautiful mist comes around from Magati River. As you see across the hills, the once luscious green hills are now devastated, ladies and gentlemen, brown and withered. The trees have been battered. It's going to take probably about another year or so for the fruit trees to come back. Who had fruit trees have lost them. Right now, I'm just picking up the pieces because I had some young fruit trees here. I have a little young mango tree that's coming. And as you see, I have a little young coconut tree down there. Another one right here behind me that has been ravaged by the storm right there in the ground. So I'm just picking up the pieces. And I'm telling the people, giving them advice, if the tree totally fall down, just cut the tree off at the roots and let it spring back. And if the limbs are broken off, if you can prune the limbs off, it will quicken the reproduction and formation of new fruits and new leaves. So families and friends, I'm gonna tell you right now, the hurricane have ravished everything. Banana trees are laying on the ground. Fruit trees are laying on the ground. All fruits are gone. Birds are walking on the ground because they have no berries on the trees to eat. Cats are eating birds because they are now vulnerable. I'm telling you, in the next few months, there could be some food deserts in Jamaica. So I'm asking the people to continue to support Jamaicans, families and friends abroad. If you have families and friends in Jamaica, send in some barrel. Use up the MoneyGram. Use up the Western Union. Use up the JN money transfer because we need the support. We thank you for the support that we have been getting. We are grateful for it. The outpouring of support worldwide has been tremendous. Big up everyone that has been standing firm, helping their neighbors. It's time now to show Jamaica love. Let's pick up the pieces. Pick up the pieces. More life, more joy, more happiness. It's Rastafari Soldier. Yeah, you're real Jamaican. In St. Elizabeth, cleaning up for Hurricane Melissa. Yeah, picking up the pieces. As you see, my water tank in the back has been devastated. The roof got blown off and the zincs got stripped by the native. They have been taken away and put somewhere else. But we have to just give thanks and praise for, the minimal loss of life and the minimum loss of, livestock. But right now we have to build back. So big up yourself. Don't you chill back. It's time for us to get in the fields, go outside and help your neighbor clean up the place one house at a time. More life, more joy. Turn the nickel into a dime. Bless up. It's Rastafari Soldier.